how to get Dreadnought in Warhammer 40k Tacticus. So, Dreadnought over here, or basically Galatian, which is a Redemptor Dreadnought, one of the only ones, of course. But to get him, you should be able to see information on how to get the shard specifically, since you need shards to unlock a hero. You won't be able to get him here in the requisition as well, since he's not one of the dropped common characters or fragments or shards. Maybe it is actually, but one of the main ways to get Dreadnought is in the Inquisition or whatever it was called. But for more information, it's over here. As you can see, Galatian shards is found in these locations, which is incursion actually, usually found in battle rewards or crates of the event. But currently, the event is still not going on. So as you can see over here, it's not running yet. But eventually, it may come back, and once it is, you'll be able to get the fragments from that specific event. So you're having a hard time getting him right now since the event is still not running. But just wait for that event to happen and you will get the chance to get the actual Dreadnought character. But that's pretty much how you get Galatian or Redemptor Dreadnought. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.